What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. This video is very exciting for me because I got these coilovers for the Audi and I'm gonna be installing them today. I have installed coilovers before on my buddy's MR2, but his MR2 was way easier than this. Apparently I heard that these are a pain in the ass to take off, so we'll see. So yeah, this is gonna be my first time installing coilovers on an Audi, and my second time in general installing coilovers, so hopefully it goes well. I don't have like a real floor jack. I'm gonna be using this, but I did get those jack stands, and I had to get some tools too, so hopefully this is enough. We'll see. This is my first time installing coilovers on an Audi. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So I have the front and rear. This is the front one right here with the adjustments. And then this is the rear strut with the rear springs. I was planning on getting just lowering springs, but I heard that lowering springs are bad if you keep the stock struts. So I just went ahead and got these coilovers. It should lower it pretty good because right now it's about 4 fingers, like 3-4 fingers. And then the front one is it's a little lower. Yeah, it's about 3 fingers. So hopefully I can lower it to like here to, you know, have the fender flush with the tire without getting too much rubbed. So yeah, I'm gonna get started right now. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I got the wheel off. Now we can really inspect how it looks, how the OEM suspension system looks. So I heard these are a pain in the ass to work on. So I heard people were taking this one off, and then some other people were saying take those two off because this one was breaking pretty often. So I don't want to take the risk this one breaking, but again, it doesn't really look too bad. We'll see. Unfortunately, now I'm stuck because I need those flat wrench to get up there because I can't use this, but I only have a 12 and I need 18, I think. So I'm waiting for my homie. He's gonna come by with some of these so I can keep going. But while he gets there, I remove the plastic trim here so I have access to those top mount bolts on both sides. These two and this one and the one in the bottom over there. So I had to remove the windshield washer fluid thing that goes here just to have access to the screws. Yeah, I'm stuck right now. I can't continue until he gets here, so I'll catch you guys when he gets here. We finally took the first one off, bro. That thing, it took forever. This thing is still annoying to take off, but we finally got it, and now we're gonna put the new strut into this upper, I don't know, control arm. I don't know. Yeah. That thing is only the first one, and it's fucking annoying already.
I know, that was like 45 minutes?
This thing, we couldn't figure out how to take it off, so we're just like spinning it. But you can just put like what I did is like put a flat head in there, and then hammer the bottom of the flat head, and it just came off. Yeah. So hammer is the way.
Yeah, we have the wrong
tools. Yeah. Hey, we're trying our best. We just barely finished putting the first one on. It's not too bad once you know how to do it, but since we didn't know anything, so it took a little while, but first one is on. And we're gonna put the wheel back on, and then we'll see how it looks. It was 3 at first, and then when we put it on, it was 2, and now the car settled in, so it's like pretty much just 1. That's pretty good. It's not too low.
No, it's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a little more aggressive. It's not like super low.
The next day.
Alright guys, so this is day 2. We couldn't finish everything yesterday because we started pretty late, so we only did the first one here. So day 2 we're gonna do, well, I'm gonna start with the front one until my friend joins me to help. So I'm gonna start with that one and then we're gonna move ahead to the back. But I'm gonna start with this side right now, and then I'm really excited to see how it looks when it's all four sitting on coilovers. Alright guys, so the second one is out of the way. Now I'm ready to install the second coilover. The side was way easier than the first side because I didn't know, when I first started the other side, I didn't know really what to do. But now that I have an idea of what to do, this one went way faster. So I'll go ahead and install the second one and then I'll lower the car and then we'll see how it looks. Just put the second one on, that was way faster than the first one. So I'm gonna finish tying up everything, putting all of this stuff back in there, everything, and then I'll get started on the rear. Alright guys, both sides on the rear are done. I did the first side over there already, so this is the second side. That's way lower than I thought it was going to be. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's really low. That is really low. Oh my god. That side is, oh wait, no, that side is lower too. I tried to adjust both the same. It needs to settle in, but damn, this is really low. This looks so good. I'm hoping I'm not gonna grab. This is low. Hopefully it's not too bouncy. If it's bouncy, I'm for sure gonna rub in the back. If I don't have passengers, it should be okay, but if I have passengers, for sure I'm gonna rub. I'm not rubbing in the front, and this is perfect. I drove it a little bit with the front coilovers when I still had the OEM shocks, and I wasn't rubbing. It's not very low. I have room to go lower, but this is good enough for me because otherwise I'm already scraping everywhere. I mean, when I get out of my driveway and on some other driveways, I'm already scraping, and I can go lower. I don't want to go lower and scraping everywhere. I already have my bumpers fucked up on the bottom, so hopefully I don't rub it in the back. That's all I'm worried about. If I don't have passenger, I hope I'm okay. I don't have passengers in the back often, so it should be okay, but this looks good. This looks good. Alright, I'm gonna clean up the mess. I'm gonna put the tools away, and then I'm gonna take it for a spin. So I drove the car around the block for a little bit just to let the suspension adjust a little bit, and it looks good. But in my opinion, the rear is too low compared to the front, so I'm gonna have to raise the rear because the tires are too tucked inside compared to the front. The front is like flush, I would say, and the back is too much in. So definitely have to raise the rear. But it looks good. I mean, you know, lower cars always look better than, you know, on stock shocks, but it's definitely too low for the rear compared to the front. So I'm gonna have to raise that up on both sides, which shouldn't be too bad. And then it will look better once they're both equal at the same height. But that looks good, man. Really excited. I'm gonna take it up for a spin again, just to make sure it's not rubbing, because now it's lower than how it was before. And then yeah, hopefully it's not rubbing. I'm gonna have to raise it up anyways, but we'll see how that one is. I really want to see how it looks from the outside. That's why I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere, and I'm just gonna be driving back and forth here just to get some drive-by angles. But that looks good. A little too low in my opinion, so I'm like thinking of just doing it right now, but it's getting late. So, and I'm getting hungry. So I'm just gonna do that later. I'm gonna do some drive-by, and then we'll see how it looks from the outside.